Welcome to Eastern Tennessee.
Turn right on Dollywood Parks Boulevard.
Dollywood is a southern blast, and one of the highlights of this awesome theme park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, is the opportunity to take a walk through Dolly Parton's now retired tour bus. The bus is parked in front of the Chasing Rainbows Museum. She bought the Prevost bus in 1994 for $750,000, and her trusted manager, the late Don Warden, drove it for 15 years. Don and his wife Ann also designed the bus. She upgraded to a $2.4 million bus in 2010. The floor plan is similar, though the new bus was double slide-outs. The retired custom bus interior features hand-tooled leather from Europe, cherry cabinets, brass fixtures, 3 bunk beds, 2 bathrooms, and a shower, and is full of all sorts of homey touches, from the family photos in the superstar's bedroom to the cotton candy pink bathtub and the tea set decorated in her signature butterflies. The bedroom also features 3 clocks, one set in Los Angeles time, one in Nashville time, and the other in Dollywood time. Small groups are allowed in the 5-minute tour, and the guide gave us a quick rundown of the vehicle. The spacious kitchen looks like as if it's seen a lot of fun gatherings around the table.
There's Dolly's toilet, sink, second toilet, hot tub. This must have been a giant shower for her. Towels hanging. Dolly's makeup. Look how wide it is. It doesn't need a slide out.
Because Dolly doesn't like tight spaces, plenty of mirrors were added around the RV to give it a roomier feeling, including the ceiling. One of Dolly's wigs.
They're crying and Judy beat the bullies up, got her out of the closet, became her best friend. Okay? Alrighty, his bottom bunk was for Don Warden. He was her manager driver for 43 years. The extra driver slept on the bottom and the van followed in another bus. Okay? Alright.
Best friend. They took the door off here.
The kitchen is large and spacious, and Dolly Parton, who loves to cook, usually makes her own meals in it.
Full-size refrigerator.
Strict orders from Dolly. No one sits in Don's seat. While touring, Dolly would actually prefer her gypsy wagon, as she called it, to hotels. It was retired in 2009 here in the park with over 600,000 miles on it.
Okay, this is Dolly's cousin, right? Cousin? That must be our other cousin.
On the outside of the vehicle by the door is a plaque honoring Dolly's former manager and bus driver, Don Warden, who passed away in 2017. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Dolly's gypsy wagon, as she called it. Hopefully you get to visit here someday. Thanks for coming along with us. You'll have a great day.